Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another review, and this is a sneaker review of the Burberry Graffiti high top. These were sold I think last season, and they reissued them this season. I tried to get a pair last season and they were sold out almost like within a couple of months. It got sold out. Then just before the sale hit, then I couldn't grab a pair, but this time I was able to get a pair right when they restocked it and had a sale. And right now, if you check online, I think it's already sold out. But if you go to eBay, I think they still have these. Anyway, this is a high top sneaker from Burberry. Graffiti, has the check canvas that they're known for on the trench coat, and you put it on the upper of the sneaker. It's a very simple sneaker. It looks like a Converse and very light. Good for summer and spring. I did replace the shoelaces because for high tops it's really difficult to get in and out. I switched them up with these elastic no tie laces. You just tie once and then you could slip your feet in and out of these easily. I'll put a description on how you get these in the link below this video. And let's do a quick 360 of this sneaker. See the design on the upper. Just keep saying Burberry in all different styles. Here's a shot of the toe box. Quite simple, but it has dimples on them. Side of the shoe, two brief hose. Back of the sneaker has Burberry over here and a pull tab. Check inside the shoe. Tongue has sizing information and where it's made in. This one is made in Spain. Okay. Here's the rubber sole. It's the big, I'm not sure if you catch that, Burberry stamp underneath it, and it's textured. Okay, let's do a quick on feet for you guys and then call it a wrap. Okay. Definitely very light. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.